Coastal exterior painting demands materials and techniques that resist salt, wind, and intense sun to prevent premature failure. Start by selecting a high durability exterior acrylic latex paint, formulated for salt spray resistance and ultraviolet protection because these binders flex with temperature changes and shed salty moisture. Ask your supplier for technical data showing accelerated weathering and salt spray testing if available. Prepare surfaces meticulously. Remove all loose paint, mildew, and surface salt with a pressure washer on a moderate setting, followed by a thorough rinse, and at least 48 hours of drying in good weather before priming. Use a corrosion-inhibiting primer rated for exterior use and compatible with both substrate and finish paint, applying it to bare wood, metal, and patched areas to promote adhesion and block tannins. On ferrous metal, substitute with a zinc-rich or epoxy primer where appropriate. Fasteners and metal trim should be stainless steel or similarly corrosion-resistant, and any existing rust must be abraded to bare metal and primed immediately. Choose lighter colors to lower heat absorption and ultraviolet degradation of the coating film, which reduces thermal cycling and the risk of alligatoring and premature chalking. Establish a maintenance routine. Wash painted surfaces gently with a low-pressure rinse and a mild soap solution every 6 months to remove salt deposits. Inspect for early signs of peeling or rust every 3 to 6 months depending on exposure, and touch up small failures promptly before moisture undercuts surrounding paint. Common mistakes start with using the wrong paint type, such as interior formulations or low-quality oil-based enamels that become brittle and fail under coastal stresses. Fix this by switching to a top-grade exterior acrylic latex labeled for marine or coastal use. Skipping surface salt removal and inadequate drying leads to poor adhesion and blisters. Always pressure wash to remove contaminants and allow ample cure time before applying primer and top coat. Ignoring fastener corrosion lets rust, stain, and lift adjacent paint. Replace vulnerable fasteners with stainless steel or copper and prime exposed metal immediately to prevent tracking and spreading. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like coastal repainting, so we can find local pros and compare experiences. We offer a discussion community where we and other members share lessons, product names, and on-the-ground tips so both homeowners and contractors can find opportunities and practical advice.